How to delete BeReal post. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to delete your BeReal post permanently. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your BeReal app on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. You can do this on your iOS phone or Android. BeReal is a new application available which is trending nowadays. So if you have posted a BeReal and you want to delete it, then I'll show you how to do that. First of all, you will go to your profile at the top right corner. It will take you right here. You can see we have your memories only visible to you, and we're getting last 14 days calendar. Click on view all memories and it will show you the calendar for a month, and you will be able to find all of the BeReals that you have posted. So you will select the one you want to delete, and you can remove it from your memories by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner, selecting delete. So that BeReal will be deleted from your memories. In order to delete it permanently, you will have to scroll all the way up to my friends in discovery option, you can see, and you have to click on my friends. Here you will be able to find the BeReal that you just removed. Select it, and you can see we have share option, but we do not find delete. So for that, you have to click on these three dots, and we have the photo is not in discovery, share on, and delete BeReal. So you will select delete option. The deletion of your photo will be final. You can only be one deletion per day. Be careful with the next photo you take. Why would you like to delete? And then we have to add the reasons. I can't see anything, or there was an issue, I don't like my BeReal, or other things. So you will select the reason. For example, I do not like my BeReal, and then you will click on delete my BeReal. Once you click on delete, the photo will be deleted permanently from BeReal. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.